Hello, I'm Colonel Francel Margaret Padilla. I'm the spokesperson for the Armed Forces of the Philippines. So foremost, no, we're really very honored to be part of these kinds of activities. Siyempre, more than national security, no, bilang AFP, nandito din tayo para sa masiguro na itong mga small and medium businesses natin, nagtatribe sila. So sinasabi nga natin dyan, pagka-secured ang ating bansa, then also our economy will thrive and help small businesses then. So with this, with DIWA, no, yung Digital Innovation for Women Advancement, nagtulong-tulong kami, no, from different sectors, all in IT, but nasa sa ibang sangay ng pamahalaan or non-government or the business sector. Nandito kami para pinag-usapan namin kung paano namin aalalayan ang mga businesses, small and medium businesses, which is ang haligi ng ating ekonomiya, no, dito sa ating bansa. So, with all that said, ang gusto lang natin iparating mula sa Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas na nandito kami to protect the people, to secure the state, para malayan yung magawa ang demokrasya natin, no? Ito nga ang ating businesses, and be able to really sleep well at night because we know, you know that the Armed Forces of the Philippines is here to protect you.